Good morning, good morning. I am at the Wyndham Resort right now. Just taking the image of the resort. This like early in the morning. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. So I'm at the resort right now. So it's too early. Well, I work at 10:30 today. So yeah, taking the image of the resort, the whole area. Dalia. Yes, see this Dahlia? Look at this Dahlia over here.
Good morning.
Huh?
What are you doing here?
Just taking the image of the resort outside. So this is the Wyndham. This is the whole lobby. I'm gonna show you the whole lobby. Right. So there's still nobody's here because it's 6 o'clock in the morning. There's the concierge area, and there's the coffee corner over here. There's Dahlia over here. Hey Dahlia, say hello.
Morning.
So this coffee corner is still, she's doing the setup right now. If you need sodas, so we have sodas. And there's the gift shop. So the lights is on right now. See? Look at this. My goodness. See it different now? Dahlia is still laughing. So that's what we have like whole week. Seafoods night, like Caribbean night. This is daily schedule. And then the Thursday night, it's a magic show. And then the Cardamore night. Yes. So now I'm outside now. So I have to go at the dock. Let's go to the dock area. So this is what we have. In the morning. Morning. Hi. This is the dock area. Here we go, let's fly. All right. This is the sunrise. I'm at the dock actually right now. So, yeah, this is sunrise right now. About 6:30 in the morning. So, yeah, just having the sunrise. Nice. Time to leave. See the water. So nice and clear. Yeah, man. Morning. See, this is the breakfast. This is a breakfast buffet. Nice one. Fruits. Masa oras abli? 7 o'clock. Pastry station with Uncle Roy is here.